Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your past orders on Instacart. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see your past orders on Instacart. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Instacart. Next, click on your profile icon on the top right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Orders on the top left-hand corner. Then this is going to show all your past orders that you've made on Instacart. You could also organize it by restaurant orders, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your past orders on Instacart. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.